always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good, family? Welcome back to Astronori for another video. Today we're actually gonna go ahead and show you guys what happened this morning with Supreme. I did try to go for Supreme using Addictio. I know it's a question that a lot of you guys have been asking me in the past, so today I decided to do it, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the results. If you guys do end up enjoying this video, man, slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Also, let me know if you would like me to post my manual live cop, because I could do both. Honestly, I didn't have any luck with manual, but I do want to show you guys what happened with Addikt this morning. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and would enjoy more of this type of content. The sub count is right here. Y'all showed mad love yesterday. I just want to go ahead and keep it going. We're 8 or 9 away from the following 100, so go ahead and show some love. And once we get to 20,000 subscribers, I'm gonna either give away a pair of Jordans or a box logo, so make sure you go ahead and start subscribing, because the sooner y'all do, the sooner we'll get there. But without any further ado, man, let's go ahead and get straight to it. So boom, as y'all can see, the drop already happened and Addictio is instantly adding it to my cart. It hits the checkout. Obviously I have to blur it so y'all don't see what's going on. I fill out the capture real quick, then it starts processing. I'm like, all right, it's going smoothly. Obviously I cut out the wait times just to make this more enjoyable and digestible for y'all, but we did manage to get the Wheaties tea in a size medium white off of Addikt. I go straight back to the next tab and it's adding the Wheaties cereal to the cart and the blade as well. It added it to a single cart. I fill out the captcha and once again it's filling out all my information by itself, which is pretty clean. Right here, as you can see, it's processing. It goes through the full process and you will see what happened right here. And as you can see, it says that I'm card declined, but when I went to my bank, it actually did charge me for both orders. So we did manage to get both pieces through Addictio. It was actually pretty simple. Last night, literally all I did once they released the keywords was fill out my information, pretty much set up for a couple different items. I didn't hit on everything, but I did get some of them. I want to say that if you guys are interested in checking out Addictio, they are going to be releasing their 2.0 version of the bot really soon, so you guys should go ahead and go on addict.io and sign up for their newsletter. That way you're notified whenever they do release it. They cover 85 plus stores from Kids Supreme, Bape, Undefeated, Adidas, Yeezy Supply, and a bunch more. Literally all hype releases are covered through Addict.io. The way that I cooked up this morning was using the hybrid mode. This pretty much lets you go into your slot and see exactly what's going on. If you have to adjust anything, it gives you the time to go ahead and do it as well. All you have to do is fill out the captcha and then it processes the payment on its own. The fact that it is hybrid, so you're still able to scroll up and down, check the items and everything like that. You won't get bot detected, which is one of the most important parts of this whole process. They also do have restock mode, so since all the things are sold out now, they will go ahead and let you keep running your tasks while you don't have to do anything. Literally, you put all your information in on the restock tab, press play, and if the item restocks, you will go ahead and have another shot at getting the item as well. They've been working on easy mode, which is gonna make the app more reliable on Adidas and Yeezy Supply to get you guys a bunch more success on there. There's a bunch of other features that I don't even know about yet. Once 2.0 comes out, I'm pretty sure that they have a bunch of tricks up their sleeves. What I do love about Addictio is that it's $130 one-time payment. Any update that comes out after that is completely free. You have it for the rest of your life, and you can get 10% off using my promo code ASTRO once it does release. You can also even split it into 4 payments just to make it more accessible to everybody out there. I will leave everything linked at the top of the description. As far as Addictio goes, all you have to do is sign up for their newsletter, and once they release, you will be notified. I know that it's going to be a limited restock, so make sure you go ahead and sign up down below. As far as setting up goes, like I was saying before, it's pretty easy, bro. All you have to do is download their Discord, and they go ahead and give you guys the keywords on there the night before. Once you have the keywords, all it takes is 30 seconds to set up a task. It's pretty easy and self-explanatory. They also have a bunch of success. Like even today, they cooked up for a bunch of people the Swarovski S logos, the Wheaties teas. I don't know if I'll have proof yet, but I'll try to ask them if they could send me the proof so I could put it up here for you guys. I do know that for TNF, they cooked up like crazy as well. They cooked up on dunks. They cooked up week 1. Any week from this season, they've been cooking up. Even sneakers, they've been killing it, honestly. That's why I wanted to make this video for you guys, because I even ended up cooking up. And if you do want a better chance at cooking up on these items, all you have to do is sign up for their newsletter. That way you're notified whenever they do release. But with all that being said, man, I guess that pretty much does it for this video. Let me know what y'all thought down below. I know there was a lot of people that are skeptical about checking out Addictio, and honestly, if you go on their Instagram app, you will see that every Thursday there's a bunch of success. You can see people on the hybrid mode copping Supreme. They've been killing it, so definitely go ahead and check them out. But if you did enjoy this video, man, leave a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified whenever we post a new video. And with all that being said, man, I think I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.